Nestled in the heart of North Carolina, Sanford boasts a blend of historical charm and modern living, with homes that embody this unique balance. As homeowners look for ways to enhance both aesthetics and functionality, custom window replacement stands out as a transformative solution. Here's why opting for custom windows can be a game-changer for Sanford homes. Enhanced energy efficiency. Sanford experiences warm, humid summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Custom window replacements offer a tailored fit, creating an airtight seal that prevents air leakage and minimizes drafts. Unlike standard, one-size-fits-all windows, custom designs are crafted to match your home's precise measurements, eliminating gaps and reducing energy loss. Custom windows often come with advanced glazing options, such as double or triple panes, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and gas fills between panes. These features work together to improve insulation, reduce heat transfer, and block harmful UV rays, ultimately lowering energy bills. In a time when energy costs are on the rise, investing in efficient custom windows can lead to significant long-term savings. Boosted curb appeal and property value. Whether you live in a historic bungalow or a modern family home in Sanford, custom window replacements allow you to elevate your home's exterior with style and precision. Unlike off-the-shelf windows, custom designs offer flexibility in shape, size, and material, so you can achieve a look that perfectly matches your architectural preferences and neighborhood aesthetics. Replacing outdated windows with custom designs can dramatically increase curb appeal and, in turn, enhance your home's market value. According to real estate experts, buyers often view energy-efficient, attractive windows as a key selling point. By investing in custom windows, you're making a lasting impression on potential buyers while enjoying the aesthetic and practical benefits yourself. Improved home comfort and noise reduction. In Sanford, where vibrant community activities and lively neighborhoods are part of the charm, peace and quiet inside your home can sometimes be hard to come by. Custom window replacements can significantly improve soundproofing, creating a more serene indoor environment. Thicker glass, specialized coatings, and tightly sealed frames help block outside noise, allowing you to relax and unwind without distractions. Additionally, custom windows help regulate indoor temperatures, ensuring your living space remains comfortable year-round. By preventing heat gain during hot summer months and reducing heat loss in the winter, your home will feel consistently comfortable without relying heavily on heating or cooling systems. Tailored design for your unique needs. Every home in Sanford has its own character and design elements. Custom window replacements offer unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to select features that suit your specific needs. Whether you want classic wood frames that capture historical charm, modern vinyl for low-maintenance living, or aluminum for a sleek, contemporary look, custom options provide endless choices. Homeowners can also select from various window styles, such as casement, double-hung, sliding, or picture windows, to best suit their home's architecture and functional requirements. This level of customization ensures that your windows not only look great but also provide practical benefits tailored to your lifestyle. Increased durability and longevity. Unlike mass-produced, standard-sized windows, custom window replacements are crafted with precision and high-quality materials. This attention to detail results in a product that offers greater durability and longevity. When professionally installed, custom windows can withstand Sanford's varying weather conditions, from intense heat and humidity to heavy rain and occasional cold spells. Many custom windows come with comprehensive warranties, giving homeowners peace of mind and confidence in their investment. Durable, well-made windows require fewer repairs and replacements over the years, saving you both time and money. Eco-friendly living. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important for Sanford homeowners. Custom window replacements are often more environmentally friendly than mass-produced options, as they're designed to last longer and reduce energy consumption. By improving your home's insulation and decreasing reliance on heating and cooling systems, you'll reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a greener environment. In conclusion, custom window replacement is more than just a home improvement project for Sanford residents. It's a transformative investment. From energy efficiency and increased property value to enhanced comfort and aesthetics, custom windows offer a multitude of benefits that make them a true game changer for your home.